Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more project ideas and tutorials. Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. Today we're going to be unboxing the Explore Air 2 in mint green, as well as the Everything bundle. If you're considering getting the Explore Air 2, then what you need to decide is if you want to get the machine by itself, or if you want to take a look at one of the bundle options. The one we're going to be reviewing today is the Everything bundle, and this is the largest bundle that Cricut has to offer. If you were to buy the Explore Air 2 by itself, it retails at $249.99. It comes with a couple things. So it's going to come with your charger. It's also going to come with your USB adapter. So this is for plugging into your computer. The Explore Air 2 does have Bluetooth capabilities, so it isn't required, and you can use it with your computer, your tablet, or your phone. When you first get your Explore Air 2, the one tip it's going to come with is your premium fine point blade. This is the main tip that I use for most things. This one's perfect for vinyl, it's perfect for cardstock. So what you're going to do is just put it into clamp B. So there's two clamps here. Clamp A is for your pens and clamp B is for your blades. Super easy, just open the clamp, put it in, and click it closed again. Over on the side here, you're going to notice there's some storage. I use this for putting in my tools, but if you have a previous model Cricut, this is compatible for your cartridges and they can go in here as well. Down on the bottom, we've got two areas for storage. This one has a nice little magnetized area, and that's perfect for sticking your blades in. Over on the side here, there is a dial on the Explore Air 2. And this one is nice because it's labeled paper, vinyl, iron-on, and a couple other materials. So it's really easy for you to just turn the dial and make your selection about what your material is. If you were to buy your Explore Air 2 by itself, it's going to come with one black pen, so you can try out projects with clamp A. As well, it's going to come with a light grip mat. Every Cricut machine is going to give you a free trial membership for Cricut Access if it's your first time subscribing, as well as some materials for a first time project. So now that we've taken a look at the Explore Air 2 by itself, let's see what comes in the Everything bundle. This first one is going to be a very handy tool. This is your portable trimmer. This one, not many people know about, but there is an extra extendable ruler on the side. And this is nice because then you don't need to get a regular ruler or measure out your stuff in advance. You can just put your vinyl or your cardstock or whatever it is in here, have your measurements, and you're good to go. Next up, we have a gel pen set. I like that this is a 5-pack. It gives you a couple different colors to choose from. Whereas when you were only buying the Explore by itself, you're just getting the one black one. So this is a nice touch because it gives you more options for designs. It comes with a true control blade, which is basically an X-Acto knife, but it's nice. On occasion, you might have just a little corner or something that doesn't cut through all the way, and so this is perfect when you're weeding. You find that one little spot, and you can fix that problem right away. Next up is the scoring stylus. So this one goes right into clamp A, and you can use this for scoring. If you're making a card, this is going to give you that perfect fold line. This next one I'm pretty excited about. This is the foil poster board. You can see how shiny it is. And that's perfect if you want to make a little box or if you want to just add embellishment to any project. Speaking of embellishment, if you are into the Cricut industry, you probably like glitter. This is glitter cardstock. So again, you can make something by itself, or you can just use this to add some extra detail to just make your project a little bit sparklier. Next up is a cardstock pack. So this one's your basic colors. It has white, gray, and black. And it's nice because this one has a little bit of a texture on it, and it's just a good cardstock for any base for cards or really just any project that you want to do. Our next item is the main reason that I decided to purchase this bundle, and this is the matte variety pack. So there are 4 different matte options that Cricut has, and this one has 3 of them. So it's the blue, the green, and the purple, and you use different mattes for different materials. So this is nice because you need a matte for every project, and now I've got 3 more to use. And our next item is the basic tool set. This is going to be one of your most important things that you get. So this has your scissors, your weeder, your lifter, and your tweezers. And you use these for pretty much every project. So now that we've taken a look at some of the tools and the mats and the things that you need to use your Cricut, included in the bundle are also some really fun things to use. So let's take a look at those next. First up, we have stencil paper. If you like making any sort of wood signs or anything of that nature, this one's going to be your best friend, and it's a really quick and easy project to do for your first time. Really important with most projects that you're using, especially with vinyl, is your transfer tape. So it's nice that they provide a roll of this into the bundle as well. One more thing that drew me to this particular bundle is the variety of different options it comes with. So in this bundle, we have our dry erase vinyl as well as chalkboard. This is perfect. You can make so many cute little projects that you accentuate with one or the other, depending on what your project's going to be. There are a couple of regular vinyls that come in here as well. This one is your premium vinyl removable, and it comes in 3 different colors. There is black, red, and white. The next bundle is an adhesive foil bundle, and this one's nice because it comes in a couple different colors as well. The next roll that it comes with is going to be for iron-on projects. This is your everyday iron-on, and it comes in 3 colors, red, black, and white. Sometimes this is referred to as heat transfer vinyl, or HTV, but in the Cricut world, it's called everyday iron-on. And our very last thing in the bundle is our foil iron-on. So this is nice if you want to add any special details onto a project. And this one's also a bundle. It comes in red, blue, purple, and green. So there you have it. This is the Explore Air 2 plus everything bundle. And the name definitely says it all. I really feel like I have all the tools that I would need to start any project. If I was a first timer, then this would be a really smart move for me, I think. You're going to get your pens, your tools, your mats, and a whole bunch of different things to play around with. If you're buying this one at full price, it's $499.32. However, it comes on sale quite often. So I actually got this for $279.99. And if I'm comparing that to the regular price of Explore at $249.99, it's a no-brainer. I absolutely would pay that extra $20 to get all of this. It's a huge value for your money. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope that you found this video helpful and that it helps you make your decision about whether or not you want to get the Explorer 2, and if so, if you want to get the machine by itself or if you want to splurge and get one of the bundles. If you like this video today, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.